Welcome back. Well, today we're going to talk about the Utah Labor Commission's safety poster contest. So that is actually this right here, and the winners end up being in a catalog, not a catalog, a calendar, right? So this is 2007, so we got 12 winners there. There are actually, I believe about 40 winners. So it's about safety. The slogan is "Take safety seriously," and it's the same slogan every year. And so you can use that slogan in your poster, or you can change it up and mix it, and we'll show you examples of that. First, let me talk about some of the rules and directions of that. And what you can win. So it's about safety. So it's about safety gear and safety procedures that you want to follow when you're working or whatever the job is. Those hard hats, gloves, knee pads, goggles, protect your eyes, steel-toed boots, safety vests, bright colors, things like that. So in the workplace. So this is going to be only competing against other middle schools across the state of Utah. Again, take safety seriously is the theme. It is every year. You'll have, it says here 35, I think this is all, no, 35 winning posters, of which 12 will have a prize cash reward. $500 goes to the first winner, second runner-up, and the 3 after that get $300, and the remaining 8 will get $200. And the school gets some money, which is nice. Okay, so you can win some money. Oh, and I think the rest, all the way out to the 35, after the 12, will get $50. And we have had some winners in the past, so that's really cool. Some points to watch out for. They say the quality of work has been great, but mainly many good ones have been disqualified due to spelling errors. So mainly the word safety, S-A-F-E-T-Y. They leave out the E, and I've seen my students do it many times. So watch out your spelling when you get to that final draft. And the other thing is, I don't see here that they talk a lot about, is copyright. You cannot use anything that has been copyrighted. Okay, so that means Mickey Mouse, Disneyland, anything on TV that you see, anything on a billboard or a book that's been published. Those characters and people have copyrights, and they have to pay those people if they use those characters. They don't want to do that. They want you to make original characters, and they'll pay you if you win, right? So you have to make original characters if that's what you're going to need in your contest. Let's see. So you can use a regular art paper. Please don't use computer paper. It's a little smaller than this. It gets too small. So we go in as small as this, some art paper, and all the way up to, oh, pretty big, huh? This kind of stuff. All right, so you can get nice and big. But not many people do this. I've got 2 or 3. All right. I'm going to now, I'll show you a bunch of these works. I take a bunch of pictures of them and let you look at a slideshow and all the examples, and maybe you can get some ideas from these, and maybe some from the actual winning calendars. So enjoy that, and good luck coming up with a slogan, which is the key thing. Once you have your slogan, take safety seriously, if that's what you're going to use, then you know what to draw. Take safety seriously, you can draw almost anything, right, and color it. But if it's specific, like take care of your eyes, or be careful, then it's going to have to be about the goggles and about the eyes and stuff. Okay, so you'll see how some of them are very broad and some are very specific, but that's okay. They have winners of all kinds. And coloring very solid. Kind of the steps are to sketch it out and then do it again on art paper. Then pen over your pencil. We don't want to see any pencil. It's not nice, unless it's a pencil drawing. The whole thing is pencil, not a line drawing, but shaded and everything. So then we pen over that, and then you color pencil your pen drawing. And that's kind of the steps that you'll see a lot of these have gone through to the finished product. All right, so enjoy those. Here we go. you.